Hello everyone, today we are going to make this very beautiful quilling feather. Here is the list of the material you will need to make it. So first you will need to draw a feather on paper like this. Then we will take some glue on paper like this, and using a pin we will spread it on a paper as per the drawn lines. So I have joined 4 to 5 strips of paper to make a thick border of the feather. Cut the extra strip using a blade, but be very careful while using it. Now we will attach the middle branch similarly. Cut the extra paper. Now you can complete the borders similarly. So now here you can see I have used different colors like this. So now for the first part of the feather, you will need to make small coils of different colors and different sizes and fill it randomly as shown. So now for the second part, we will make some coil chains as shown and complete the part. make more coils to fill a complete line. Complete the whole part similarly. So now for the another part I am using a border body tool, but you can use a pen or any cylindrical object. Cut the extra strip. Make similar coils of random colors to fill the part. So again, for the another part, you will need to make random coils, open or closed coils as shown. So now for the next part, we will take measurement and fold the strip in a zigzag manner like this, and I will use 2 part of white and 1 part of blue color to fill this part. So now for this part, we will again fold the strip in zigzag manner, but in a little decreasing order like this. It will look like this after sticking it. Now for this part we will take some strips and stick it in a straight line like this. Now for this part we will need some scrolls like this, 2 big coils, 2 medium, and we will need 2 small coils, and we will attach it like this. So now for the next part we will need some leaf shapes. For the next part I am using 1/8 strip of paper like this to make a little teardrop shape. Now we will again take some glue and paper, and we will use strip like this, little strips, to make a pattern as shown. If it is big, cut the extra one. Now I had made some coils using 1/8 strip of paper, and I am attaching it like this. You can complete the last part as we did before. You can shape cut it like another one. you can take little support of the border to cut the extra part of the paper. Cut the whole extra paper. It will look like this after cutting. You can make it with different colors as one I have done before. So guys, here is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. If you like my idea, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like, share it. Thank you for watching.